Every piece of clothing has a story. I no longer wear these two jackets, but their journey doesn't end here. Today, we'll give them a new life, transforming them into a bag that's both functional and stylish. Welcome to this upcycling adventure. The first step is to take apart these jackets. This process is meticulous, but it's also meditative. It's about respecting the material and understanding its potential. By upcycling, we're giving these fabric a second chance and reducing waste. Designing the bag is where creativity meets practicality. I wanted something spacious yet stylish. Each detail from drawstring to the body is carefully considered. It's about making something useful without losing the essence of the original materials. Before diving into the final assembly, it's crucial to test out some ideas and techniques. This helps to ensure that everything works as planned and allows for adjustment before committing to the final design. I started by making a paper bag sample to test the overall structure. Paper is a great material for prototyping because it's easy to manipulate and allows you to quickly visualize the design. However, I realized that this structure will need more material than I had available from the jackets. Next, I experimented with felt made from thread scraps. This was an interesting test to see how we could utilize even the smallest piece of leftover fabric. Although it's a creative way to recycle scraps, the texture and strength weren't quite right for the final bag. I also tested various stripes for the bag's body. Finding the ideal width was crucial for both weight and durability. Also material consumption as well. After several attempts, I settled on a width that provided the best balance. One of the more unique tests was weaving fabric strips together to check the structure and aesthetics. Weaving added an interesting texture and strength. Each of these samples taught me something new. While not all of them made it into the final design, they were essential steps in the creative process. Testing these ideas helped me refine my approach and ensure that the final bag will be the best it could be. With the samples done, I moved on to cutting the materials into stripes. Sewing the jacket stripes into tubes made them easier to manipulate. I started with the bag's base, experimenting with several weaving techniques using denim and corduroy stripes. While some methods didn't work due to rigidity or lack of strength, braiding denim stripes first and then weave them provided a strong foundation. For the body of the bag, I used a crochet technique, starting with corduroy stripes and finishing with the tubes. Decreasing one stitch at corners each round created a slightly tapered lip, giving the bag a unique shape. To add an extension part, I cut a rectangle of mesh scrap and sandwiched all the fabric scraps, threads, and layers collected during the process. Using machine embroidery and quilting techniques, I created a durable and decorative piece. The cord drawer collected from the purple jacket was repurposed as the bag's closure, adding a functional and a sustainable touch. For attaching the extended part to the body, I used purple yarn for color matching purpose to stitch them up. And here it is, the final product, a stylish, functional bag made entirely from recycled materials. Each piece has its own story, and together they've created something truly unique. Thank you for joining me on this upcycling adventure. I hope this inspires you to look at your old clothes in a new light and try your own DIY projects. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more creative content. See you next time!